Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tarot's Galaxy 1111. Today I am going to do the pick a card reading of the topic what is good news coming into your way. Okay, so what good news is coming into your way? This is today's pick a card reading topic, and you have to choose one pile. Okay, I have put three pens over here, so you can choose one of them, or if you drawn to the more than one pen, then you can choose that also. Okay, the first is the white and blue pen. Okay, the second is the green pen, green color pen. Okay, and this is the black and gray pen. Okay, so you have to choose any one of the pen, and I will put the timestamps in the description box below. So I just want to let you know these are the general readings, guys, so it may or may not be resonate with each and everyone, and if the messages are resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want any new topics for the readings, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to do all the readings. Okay, at the end of the reading I will pull some advice card for you from the unicorns decks. Okay, so choose your pen, choose your pile, and we will start with the readings. Okay, so I will start with the first reading, which is the blue pen. Okay, blue pen first. What good news coming into your way? What good news is coming into your way for pile number 1, which is a blue pen? Okay, what good news is coming into your way? Good news is coming into your way. Okay, 6 of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Cups. Good. What good news is coming into your way? So many cards. We will take one card. Okay, what good news is coming into your way? Okay, King of Wands, and bottom of the deck is 4 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so the viewers may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Strongly I feel the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn people. Okay, so we will take the clarifier for why the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Why the 6 of Pentacles in reverse? Some of you are feeling are having the money problem, financial issues going on, or some of you the legal matters are involved, they are not getting the justice. Okay, 5 of Wands, the 6 of Pentacles in reverse, and the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, the Fool. Why the King of Wands is here? Why the King of Wands is here? Okay, 8 of Swords, sorry, 8 of Wands. Why the King of Wands is here? Oh, Queen of Wands. Okay, so power couple. Very good. bottom of the deck is Four of Cups in reverse. Very good. So we will start with the reading. In the current past or in the current situation or current scenario, you are having some money problem, money issues. Some of you are not getting the justice. Some legal matters are involved. The legal matters may be regarding to the finance or regarding to the family matters. Okay, there are fights, arguments are going on. There are 4 people are involved. Okay, or some of you, it might be the, if the fights are not there in the physical level, in the physical world, then it might be the internal and external conflicts. There are thoughts, so many thoughts, and it is a mental illusion, mental conflicts in your mind. Okay, so many thoughts in your mind, positive, negative, and lot of thoughts. You are not able to go to the conclusion. You are feeling very stuck. Okay, so the new beginning, the Fool card represent the new beginning with the faith. Okay, you have to take a risk. Universe is going to support you, even though it is a risk, even though this surface is going to end, the land is going to end, and the other land is going to start, and there is some depth also. Okay, but still the sun is arising over here, and this person is not this person is fully enjoying himself and going and walking. Okay, he is not aware about the depth, but still universe is there and universe is supporting him. Okay, so you have to take a leap of faith, you have to take a risk, even though the situation right now or in the current past, you are thinking that the scale is not balanced and it will not going to balance. So it is not like that. You have to take a risk. Okay, you have to take a chance. Okay, then only, because sometimes we have to need to show the courage. You have to take a leap of faith, you have to trust the God, trust the universe, trust the process. Okay, what is going on here. Okay, trust the God, trust the universe, and having trust on yourself also, so that you can take a leap of faith, that you can able to do that, you can able to achieve that. Okay, so second card is a Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups is a happy family, married family. Okay, some of you are dreaming for this the happy family, but this is but right now, because of some money problem or because of some injustice is going on here, that's why you are not able to come to the point or come to the conclusion, will it going to happen, or what will be the future of this. So it is going to work. Okay, your dream will come true with the happy family. Whatever the financial situation are affecting your family, or some of you, your financial situation are financial situation is affecting your love life, so it will going to heal. Okay, but you have to take a risk. Okay, leap of faith, trust the God, trust the universe, trust the process, or come out of this energy, come out of these thoughts, conflicts. Okay, then will be the things will start to happen. Okay, and the outcome is the King of Wands. Some of you, you are the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in your chart. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, and Venus rising. Okay, so the king will come to you, king will offer the things. Okay, and he is very wise person. Okay, he will ready to start the new things with you. Okay, or you might be in the energy that you want to offer someone. Okay, because in the clarification King of Wands, there is a Queen of Wands with the Eight of Wands. So you will receive the message, you will receive the email, you will receive the telephone call or anything. Okay, so this is the power couple, and this will going to work, this will going to end in the happy family only. Okay, 10 of Cups. So very nice, and this will be the very fast message and very quick movement. very quick movement, quick message, quick mail. Even you are not expecting. See, I told you, you might be doubting that will it be happen in the physical reality, or will the situation going to end in the positive way. Don't doubt, okay? Take a leap of faith. Trust the process, trust the universe, trust this is maybe happen in the divine timing. This is not the perfect timing, that's why this is not happening. As you come out of your financial situation and current your career life, okay, then you will come to the this energy, okay. King of wands or queen of wands. So that queen also be ready to take your wands. See, she is looking at the king and king is looking to her. So very nice, very nice, okay. And it will lead into the 10 of cups, which is a family, happily ever after, happily married family, okay. Or some of you, someone is offering you that cup. The universe is offering you the cup, universe is giving you the opportunity, but you are not thinking that opportunity. You are stubborn, you are just looking at the empty cup, what are here in front of you, but you are not seeking the advice from the god or the universe, okay. You have to take the advice, you have to look at their cup, you have to seriously think on that cup and take that cup. Take a leap of faith, that's the message. Take a leap of faith, the new beginning will be apparent. It is a major arcana. Sun is going to arise, okay. Universe is fully giving you support. Even the situation is riskful or having a risk, you have to take a risk. So accept that cup, accept the opportunity are coming to you, okay. Come out of the illusion, come out of your fantasy world, okay. So this was your message. So I will pull some advice card for you. What is the advice for you? What is the advice for you? Pile number 1. What is the advice for you? Advice. Or some of you, those who having the trouble, legal matters are involved, that will also be sorted, okay. You just have to open your heart chakra, open your heart to give and to receive, okay. As you open your heart, then only you will come to know the universe is offering you the cup, okay. Then only you will be ready to give your want to your other better half, and then only the things will be in place, okay. 10 of cups. Moving. 20. Change is happening, so be prepared to move physically or spiritually. I told you, changes are coming, but you have to take a leap of faith, okay. Move further, take a charge, okay. Some of you, your life path number will be 2, okay. Change is happening, so be prepared to move physically or spiritually. Some of you, the changes are not, you are not seeing the changes because it is happening in the spiritual level, but it will going to come into the physical level, okay. So you have to trust yourself, you have to trust the universe, okay, and just move. Whatever you are doing, do that, okay. You will be accomplish your success, okay. You will achieve your family, you will achieve your success. 10 of cups. And the bottom of the deck is a rainbow. 26. Some of you, this was the toxic cycle in your life which was continue going on. It was ups and down, but it will come to the end, okay. 10 of cups. 10 is a new accomplishment and closeness, okay. One circle has been come to the end, and now the starting of the new era, starting of your happiness is coming, okay. Rainbow. There is a rainbow beyond the clouds. Even though there is a storm weather, there is a rainbow. You just have to be hopeful. So you see rainbow here also and here also. You might be seeing a lot of synchronicities like 10 10, 11 11, 4 4, Okay, so take that specific number has the synchronicities, has special messages. So you just google that number. Some of you will be in repeating, some of you are seeing that number in a pair. Okay, so that also have a different meaning. So you please check out in the google, you will get the information what the universe want to let you know. Okay, that are the universe signal. Okay, there is a rainbow beyond the clouds. Even there is a storm weather, there is a rainbow, there is hopes. Be hopeful for the situation. Okay, and accept the universe opportunity and the cup. Okay, so here I will let you know the affirmation for this. Moving, this card suggests that change, internal or external, it is imminent. See, I told you there are some internal external conflict. Okay, 5 is a number of positive changes are going to come. Prepare yourself to move forward, and know that the unicorns will help you to make something wonderful to happen. Something wonderful is going to happen. Your family, the power couple. Okay, with a lot of messages, lot of calls, lot of emails. Okay, it is going to happen. Open your heart chakra, do some chakra healing. Some of you, there are some you have been close your heart, so open your heart. There are some videos or music also to chakra healing, to activate your chakra, so you can do that also. My unicorn is helping me to move forward. Your affirmation is, my unicorn is helping me to move forward. Okay, so move forward. And the second affirmation is rainbow. This card signifies the end of one period and beginning of the something joyous and financially rewarding. See, I told you 10 is a completion. Okay, and some of you, there are tough cycles in your life. Number 8, 6, 7, 8. Okay, some of you, there are some tough cycles, ups and down was coming down and going, but right now universe is telling you that this will going to end. Okay, and something new beginning is going to here start. Okay, something joyous, financially rewarding will be coming into your life. Okay, notice the sign of prosperity coming to you and more will follow. Okay, so I told you, please notice the sign, take the signs, whatever signs and signals universe is providing you. Some of you are maybe seeing the lot of synchronicity number 10 10 8 8 9 9 2 2. So that angelic number has specific meanings. Please go and google it. Okay, you will come to know what is the guidance the universe is going to giving you. Okay, so your affirmation is, I expect beneficial outcome. Some of you was doing lot of work, but you was giving only, you was not able to receive anything in output. But right now, but onwards this will not happen. As you stop these conflicts and come out of this conflict, as you ready for the changes, as you taking the some leap of faith and trusting the god, then the scale will be balanced. Okay, scale will be balanced, changes will be come. Okay, 5 6 changes will be occur. Okay, so your affirmation is, I expect beneficial outcome. Pray to god. Okay, the viewers who are seeking for the justice, they will get the justice, and the viewers seeking for the money for their outcome, they will give, they will able to receive that. Okay, so this was your message. Please let me know in the comment section if it is resonating with you, and please let me know in the comment section that if you want any other topics of for the reading, then I would like to do that also. Okay, so take care and bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, now we will move on the pile number 2. So these are the general readings. It may or may not be resonating with you, each and everyone. Okay, and if you want any personal reading, please contact me in the please contact me personally. I am going to share my contact details in the description box below. Okay. So what is the message for the pile number 2? is the good news, what is the good news coming for the pile number 2? Hangman, what is the message, what is the good news, what is the good news coming for you? Moon, what is the messages, what is the good news is coming for you, what is the good news is coming for you, what is the good news coming for you? Okay, death. We will take the clarifier. Why the hangman is here? Why the hangman is here? So the sign I am getting, viewers are maybe Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Strongly water sign, or they, if the water sign, you are not water sign, then you are in the full of emotions right now. Okay, something is hidden from you. Okay, and some transformation is happening. So for some of you it is happening, for some of you it has been occurred. Okay, it is the good news. So every ending has a new beginning, so don't worry about it. Empress and the Queen of Swords. Okay, why the moon is here? Why the moon is here? Two of Wands in reverse. Why the moon is here? Lovers, King of Wands. Why the death is here? Why the death card is here? Why the death card is here? Why the death card is here? Queen of Cups in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse. Okay, Seven of Wands, and the bottom of the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so we will start with the reading. The Hangman. You people are, some of you it is your current past, or some of you this is the situation of right now. Right now the situation is stuck, you are feeling stuck, and you are not you are balancing out all the things. Okay, trying to balance the things, but you are not able to balance that. Some you are thinking that something is wrong is happening with me, or something is wrong is going to be happen. You have to open your crown chakra. Okay, because this situation is observed by the God, observed by the universe. Take some guidance for this. In the clarification I got the the Queen of Sword and Empress. So you should be in your energy. Okay, you are like you are a very powerful personality, as I come to know. Very powerful personality, very abundant, and very even though it is not a financially, but emotionally and spiritually you are very abundant. You know what is right, you know what is wrong, and you know what is the truth, and what you for what you have to settle. Okay, so you just have you just want to take you just have to take your take the control of your take the control of the situation in your hand. Okay, Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is very wise, and she come to know, she has all the ability to come to know that right and wrong, and she has very good judgments also. Okay, to cut out the people by her actions, or to cut out the people by the words, or to cut out the to clear the air. Okay, and the Empress is a very powerful personality. So the moon is signifying that some things are hidden from you. You are right now in darkness. Okay, you're feeling that you're not able to seek the guidance, but here you should go within. Okay, you should go within and try to meditate and trust on your intuitions. Focus on your intuitions. Okay, your intuitions will guide you to show your path, life path, because some of the things are hidden, situation is hidden from you. So for some situation is hidden from you, but this is for your betterment. This is I am getting that this is your spiritual journey. For most of the people, this is your spiritual journey. You have to develop your soul. Okay, grow with your knowledge, grow with your wisdom, because you have all the capabilities. But you have to focus more in your abilities and intuitions. Okay, some of you there are some conflict, internal and external conflict in your mind. Okay, the conflict may be regarding to the love, regarding to your passion, whatever your work that you are doing very passionately. It is a partnership. It might be the partnership of the your business. For most of you, it is a love connection which is divinely guided. Okay, which is divinely guided, but you are very in conflict, internal external conflict with your thoughts, with your emotions. You are not able to take action. Because some things are hidden from you, but it might be not the right time to come to know you. Okay, universe is guiding you to please focus on your intuition, and your intuitions will guide you in the correct path. Okay, Page of Wands, then only you will start with the new things, because the Page of Wands is very courageous, adventurous person, and this energy is, even though it is a tough time, even though it is a harsh time, but still he is adventurous. He is ready for the adventure. But right now you are not in that energy. Right now you are just confused. Okay, because some things situation is hidden from you. Okay, darkness is there. Okay, then the Death card. The Death card is signifying the ending. Okay, ending. Even though it is a ending, it is a new beginning. It is starting of new beginning. Okay, even though it is a dark energy, full on dark, but still the sun is arising. Sun is going to arise. Situation will get healed. Situation will get continue in the proper way, because I think the foundations what are needed are not good in the past, because the things were hidden from you. You were in self conflict. You was not ready to take the leap of faith. You was not ready to focus on your intuition. That's why the death is here, because this thing has to be end. If you want to move on, then some wrong patterns has to be end. You have to take a conclusion. You have to take a control of your situation. See, I told you, you have to take a control of your situation. You have to come to the point that this is wrong, this is right. You have to take on that judgment. You have to cut the air, cut the negativity, cut the truth, cut the wrong things. because you have all the abilities. You are very abundant, you are very abundant, you are very wise, you know for what you have to settle, but you are right now in confusion because some things are hidden from you. Okay, that's why the death is here, and this death is the, it is the call for the new beginning. Okay, in the clarification of the death I got Knight of Cups in reverse and Queen of Cups is reverse. Okay, so Knight of Cups is tells us that it is a very sincere, emotional and a very loyal person is coming towards you, but it is in reverse. So that person is not coming to you, and the Queen of Cups always signifies that she is ready to offer her cup to other. Okay, but she is not ready to offer the cup. And there are two queens, Queen of Swords in upright and Queen of Cups in reverse. Emotionally she is not available, even though you people are talking, even though you people are spending some time, quality time, but still she is not available for the emotional and you are not available. Okay, but I am able to see that there might be the two female energies. Okay, one is very wise, abundant and very rough and tough, but other is very sensitive. That's why you are in conflict, and you are just thinking to, is it okay to offer this cup, or is it not okay to offer that was you are hesitating to offer your cup. Or energy can be flip flop. Okay, this might be the male, but there are two energies I am able to see. She is ready to cut the clutter and she is not ready to accept the cup. So this might be male, it is not a gender based reading, but this person may be in the female energy, in their divine feminine energy. Okay, but divine masculine is confused because of all the chaos. Okay, he is guarding himself and he is standing in his ground. He is fighting for the connection. For some of you, I am able to see that they have been made the decision what to, with whom they want to continue, or they have been come to the judgment that to which path they have to take, and that's why the death is here. You have to end one chapter, you have to end one connection, then only you can start other. But you are guarding yourself. Okay, so page 8 of coins, 2 8s, 8 8. There are chaos, there are conflict, there are chaos, but you have to do the hard work. You have to do all the things creatively. Queen of Sword is very creative in taking the decisions and taking the actions, and Queen of Cups is creative in she is very emotionally fulfilled and she is nurturing, caring, loving. So you have to do this the hard work. Okay, to not to juggle in the two ways, to not to juggle in two options, or to not to juggle in two, if the situation is for the work situation, then you are not you just have to avoid the just juggling in the two jobs, two businesses. Okay, you have to focus on one creatively, then you will get rewarded. Okay, you have to come out of this fantasy world. Whatever options you have to come out of that, and hard work, do the hard work to come to the confusion. Okay, this was your reading. Now we will see the advice card for you. What is the advice for you? But one connection is very fated over here, I can tell you. This is the lovers is the Gemini card, okay, and this is the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and the Empress. Okay, so I know this is the tough situation, but don't worry, this will going to end. Okay, be in your power, do your work, do your hard work. What is the advice for pile number 2? What is the advice? Come out of your fantasy world, come out of your illusions, mental illusion, conflicts. Okay, meditate. Meditation is your key. Okay, your insights will guide you. Your insight, this is the intuitions. Your intuitions have the light of to show you the correct path. Okay, connect with yourself, meditate, open your third eye chakra and do the chakra healing. Okay, there is a third chakra healing music also, you can google it, you can take sessions for the chakra healing. Okay, feather, this card is letting you know the unicorns tell you they are near you. Feather in the form of feather. 8 it is a tough cycle, but it will going to end again. 8 are here. One more advice for you, I will take one more advice for you. What is the advice for pile number 2? Archangel Uriel, be a peace ambassador, and bottom of the deck is the aspiration. You are unlimited, so aim for the star. So universe is around you to help you. I told you 8 are here, there is a synchronicity, so you might be seeing lot of numbers 221133. Okay, so google it and they have specific meaning and take your message. Okay, Archangel Michael, become a peace ambassador. You have to calm down, you have to relax. Okay, and spread your peaceful vibration in your surrounding, and set your goals to the higher level, because you have all the you are unlimited, so aim for big. You are the Empress. Okay, you are a wise person, you know for what you are supposed to settle and for not for what is not good for you and what is good for you, what is worth. Okay, so I will let you know the affirmation. The aspiration, the unicorn supports my aspiration, dreams, desires, because you have unlimited potential. Okay, the feather, I look for the message from the unicorns today. Look for the synchronicity, look for the feathers, look for the signs universe is giving you. Okay, and Archangel Uriel, I spread peace today. Spread your peaceful vibrations to the surroundings, then the situation will get healed. Okay, so this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section, and if you want any private any personal reading, okay, then please contact me. I will share my contact details in the description box below. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care. So okay, we will move to the pile number 3. What the good news is coming into your way? Pile number 3. Okay, these are the general readings, so it may or may not be resonate with each and everyone, and if you want any personal readings, then you can contact me. I will share my contact details in description box below, and if the messages will resonating with you, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so what is the good news coming towards you? What good news is coming towards you? We will pull 3 cards. Okay, what good news is coming towards you. At the end of the reading I will pull some advice card for you, and I will let you know the affirmations. Okay. Knight of Pentacles reverse, 7 of Cups reverse, and the 4 of Cups, sorry, 4 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles in reverse. And, we will take the clarifier why the Knight of Pentacles is reverse. Why the Knight of Pentacles in reverse? I am able to see that you are maybe the Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. You was fantasizing about the your options, or you have lot of options, but right now the situation is not like that. Okay. So you people have worried about your finances, stuck in your finances, and you are waiting for the new opportunities, but you are not able to seek any opportunity for you. But you people have to manage your finances in good level, because lot of times our money spending is not good. Okay. Over money spending, you are spending your money in over limit. Okay. Limitless. So you have to manage your money, manage your finance. Page of Wands, 8 of Swords in reverse, Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Okay, the luck is not in your favor right now. You may be having some bad karma, or but you are unlucky. The wheel is not turning in your favor. Okay. Bottom of the deck is a Justice. You might be getting any justice, because even though proper money offer is not come to you, the Page of Wands, new beginning, you might be create one opportunity for yourself, your business, your own company, your own shop, or any own things. Okay. You might be very creative person, so you can creative anything. Your hobby might be your good earning source. You might be you have to focus on your all the whatever you have in your hands, whatever skills you have your hands. Okay, because right now or in the current past the wheel was not turning so in your favor. Okay. Why the 7 of Cups is here? Why the 7 of Cups in reverse? We will check further details. Okay, don't worry. Why the 7 of Cups in reverse? Why the 7 of Cups in reverse? Okay, the Lovers. Why the 7 of Cups is reverse? The Judgment. Okay, 2 major, 3 major arcana. The Wheel of Fortune, Judgment, Lovers. Why the 4 of Pentacles? Why the 4 of Pentacles in reverse? Okay, I will take that. Okay, Hanged Man, Justice, again the Justice, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so we will start with your reading. In the current past or in the current situation, you are feeling stuck. You are feeling your luck sorry, you are feeling your luck is not in your favor. Okay, as I told you, you maybe have lot of skills in your hand. You maybe create some opportunity for yourself. You might be opening your own shop, own business, own company. new company, okay, or new job. Or might be some of you, your hobby will be your new earning source. It might be the new earning source for you, okay. So don't worry about the money offer which is not coming into your way. Create your own opportunities, okay, because now you have been come out of your all the illusions, okay. You are able to see and you are able to differentiate that you can begin the new things with yourself, okay. The Seven of Cups in reverse, this is the fantasy, these are the options in your mind, but right now you are able to see that you don't have any such kind of fantasy world and any kind of such fantasy options also. So the in the clarification I got the Judgment and the Lovers, okay. The Lovers signifies us that there are some partnerships, bonding which are fated, divinely fated. Some of you it is a love connection and partnership also. So some of your friends, colleagues, or they may be put the proposal for the expansion of your work or business or your hobby, or maybe you are going to offer someone this opportunity, but this connection is fated. Even though it is a love connection or even though it is a partnership, it is a fated and divine. It will be fruitful, because universe is blessing you, okay. The Judgment, you just have to take a inner calling. What your soul is calling you. You have to take a just focus on your intuitions. Some of you have to open your third eye chakra and crown chakra. Whatever the toxic thoughts, some of you you has been come out of all the illusion, but some of you have been still stuck in the mental conflict and thoughts. Even though you are able to just leave yourself without this the knots, with this the some of you it might be some restrictions in the physical world, but it might be your own thought are creating your restrictions over you. So you have to focus on your inner calling. Whatever intuitions are guiding you, you have to focus on that. Open your third eye chakra. You will able to see whatever the options are there in front of you, other than that opportunity, other than that specific opportunity, okay. So and some of you, there might be your partner may be having contributed in your business and your work life, okay. You both or some of you, it may be the married couple and expanding your own business or own shop, own career, okay. So don't be feel that this opportunity is not knocking your door, okay. And outcome is the Four of Pentacles in reverse. You have to take your you have to focus on your outgoings, okay, and overspending, because overspending is not good for you in this period or in this time. It is not for all the time, but for this particular time it is not good for you, okay. Then only you will able to balance the scale. Whatever you are putting your input, then only you will get some beneficial outcome. Justice will be there, okay. Then only you have to balance that, okay. Even though on you are just taking too much effort to balance it out, but you have to balance, then only the justice will be happen, and then only you can expand. The universe will again give you another opportunity to expand your career, or some of you it might be the lot of money coming from your own this current situation or current new whatever you have been open, the new shop, new company, new trade, anything. This might be your money making. This might be your money plant, like, okay, justice will be happen, your all the hard work will be get paid out. Okay, you have to do some legal bond also, legal things also, because this justice card again shows sometime the legal matters. So legally you can able to start the things, and this will be the fruitful, this will give you the fruitful rewards. Universe will give you the fruitful rewards for that. Okay, but just you have to take care of the overspending. Don't spend over your money. Okay, manage your money in well manner. Okay, then I will pull some advice card for you. What is the advice from the unicorns? What is the advice from the unicorns? What is the advice from the unicorns? What is the advice? Birth. See, I told you, you might be thinking that your one of the hobby can be it your new beginning. It will start your new thing, new opportunity, new, you will create your new opportunity. Be receptive to new idea, child or situation. So don't doubt your intuitions, don't doubt your insights, your ideas, your thoughts, your dreams. Okay, go for it. Universe is telling you, go for it. Be receptive to the new idea, be receptive to the new child or new situation. Okay, don't worry about the other things, just give the birth to the new idea, new dream, new creativity. Some of you, your life path number is 2. Okay, you are own, you can create your own opportunity, you can create your own business, you can create your own shop. I told you. Okay, so this is your message, advice for the pile number 3 and the seeking good. Look for good in your current situation. Even though you are thinking that this situation is not good, this is there are so many problems, there are so many troubles. Okay, you just have to come out of all the illusion. Okay, come out of this, then your wheel will get turned. Okay, your luck will be in your favor, the justice will be happening, justice will be there, and you will create more money from that. Okay, so look good in your current situation, seeking the good. Some of you, your life path number will be 9. Okay, or 9 will be the good number for you, or 2 might be the good number for you. Okay, so I will let you know the affirmation for you. Birth. This card, birth, is the card of promise. For the unicorns are waiting to help you bring the new in, bring in the new, means unicorns are waiting to help you out. Unicorns are, universe is already waiting, because I told you there are so many major arcana. See, the justice, the lovers, the judgment, wheel of fortune. So, and there are so many major arcana, and universe is giving you the blessing, the hangman. Okay, so universe want you to create something new, and they are helping you out, they are supporting you. Expect good things to happen and remain open to the gift from these wondrous beginnings. So whatever you are creating, you just wait for the good things, wait for wait for the good things to happen. Okay, the wonderful things what will be happen. I told you this will be the very fruitful for you. Ace of Pentacle. So your affirmation is, I expect a new and a wondrous thing to arrive in my life. Okay, you can note down that affirmation, and you have to do this affirmation. Okay, I expect new and wondrous things to arrive in my life. Be receiver. In short, you have to be receiver. God is giving you a lot, but you have to take it. Okay, you have to be receptor. Okay, and seeking the good. The unicorns remind you that there is a hidden bonus or significant learning concealed in your current situation. I told you something hidden from you, and this will come into your way. The bonus, significant learning or significant bonus, the hidden bonus. This is your hidden bonus. You will create lot of money from it. It will be the money. I told you, money plant for you. Your new idea, your new project, or your new thought, or your new shop. Okay, but you have to take action on that. Okay, you have to bring it in physical world. It may be hard to see, but when you find it, it will be beneficial for your life. I told you, this will be beneficial for your lifetime. Current situation, you might be thinking that this will not be happen, or how should I do this, because of some current problems. So you have to focus on the your project, your new idea, new thought, rather than the problems. Okay, so the affirmation is, I am looking for the positive in my life. I am looking for the positive in my life. This is your affirmation. So please let me know in the comment section if the reading is resonating with you, and please let me know in the comment section if you want any new topics with the new readings. I will like to do all the new topics. I would like to cover it all, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.